Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed this video prior to with everything that's just going on. I had filmed this video like a couple of weeks ago, so I just still wanted to post it up. I will be posting more videos on my um, emergency stuff. So if you guys want to see that, let me know, and how I got to have my inventory of my emergency stuff. If you do want to see it, give it a thumbs up and leave it down in the comments. So this video, I was just deep cleaning my house. Typically when I work 2 weeks straight and then I get like 3 days off. So these are my days off, and on my days off the house is a mess. That being said, is because my husband is solely taking care of the kids and making them food, and I feel like as a man, I don't know if it's just a man, maybe it's not, but I feel like he has a hard time managing his time. But right now I'm just putting away some almonds that we have. The things I was gonna actually was filming 2 videos during this day. I was filming the cleaning video and what I feed, a video about how I feed my daughter, and so I just grabbed some almonds, put them inside a mason jar, and filled them up with water to do it overnight kind of thing. I think this particular time I left them, I think I did leave them overnight, as a matter of fact. The first thing I do is, the next thing I'm doing is just washing the dishes. We didn't have a lot of dishes today. My husband is the one thing that he does try to keep up with is the dishes, just because they add up as the day goes by, and our sink is really not that big, so it looks like we have a lot of dishes, but we really don't. So that's why he tries to like keep up with it, and I'm just kind of rinsing everything out and like washing everything, making sure everything's really well rinsed before I put it in there. Our dishwasher is not very good, but it does its job. Again, living in California, it's just really expensive, and you're really not getting what you pay for when it comes to rent-wise. So, yeah. So now this is the state that the island kind of thing looks like, the bar, you could say. We do have a lot of stuff. We try to keep our house as neat as possible, but because we live in such a tight space, it just looks very cluttered. But right now I'm putting away these grapes that I washed, put them in a Tupperware. I put them in the fridge, just because we like to eat them cold. And I'm just putting things away, kind of reorganizing stuff. I put things to the side, just so I can wipe down the bar, and then I go to those sides at the end and like put everything away where it belongs. This is the method that I've always used, and it just seems to work for me all the time. So my living room, me and my husband always love watching TV in the living room. My son is going through the stage where he thinks that sleeping in his own bed is actually really scary. So he's sleeping in our bed. But what we do is we kind of establish a rule now where he can sleep in mom's bed 1 to 2 nights during the week, but the other nights he has to try to sleep in his own bed. And we just, even if he's not sleeping in our bed, we love watching TV in the living room, so we have a lot of blankets. That is one thing that I know that we're never going to run out of, is blankets. And I typically use my Dyson and I vacuum the couch. That's something I do all the time when I'm deep cleaning or cleaning, just because we do have dogs, and they shed, and also just kids in general. Like, leave everything everywhere. So we had gone to Costco, and we're just putting away some stuff. I'm just putting away some stuff, as a matter of fact. So then, even though I clear out the bar area, I start putting everything that needs to be in the kitchen in the bar area. So there's Milo. As you can see, that's one of our dogs. I was also putting things away in our emergency kit. It's right over there. You can see it's the black thing. I filmed a video about it, and I will link it down below, or I will put it in the tab above. And then I cut some off because my husband came out and he was like wanting to dance. Like, I don't know, it was weird, but I cut some off. But so I just started organizing everything. I left my tripod bag there because I was using it. So by the end of the video, when the video was over, I put it away and I put it where it belongs. There's my husband. He's showing me something. So I just continue cleaning. We do have those pads on the side of the bar because our daughter tends to go over there and sometimes she'll bump her head. So this is a dresser that we had since we've been married, and what we repurposed it and put it in the living room. We moved in alone. We moved out of his parents' house. We repurposed it to be like the homeschool like workbooks for the kids, and like a little drawer for like diapers for my daughter, and like hair ties for her, and like where we put our electronics and stuff like that. So that okay, if anybody knows anything about plants, please for God help us, because my husband has been in this plant craze and some of them are dying and we don't know what to do. This is where we keep our shoes, but actually changed it like a day ago, and we took out all the shoes and we just put them away, like in the shoe racks that we have in our room. And so what we use this basket for now, as of 2 days ago, is for blankets. So this changed. In my next cleaning video, I'll show you what it looks like. This is where we keep all the kids' toys. We do have these like tables on the side, and my husband was just putting clean clothes up there and stuff like that, so I just put those away, put away like the crayons that were up there. And now I'm putting toys away. We have like 2 baskets on the outside of them, and my son just like throws everything in there. Like he just throws anything wherever he thinks things go. We have a lot of toys, and I think because the reason why we have so many toys is because my husband grew up not having so many toys, so he just buys whatever he wants for the kids. But that's becoming a problem to me, and now we just decided not to buy them toys. I'd rather buy him books or workbooks, or if he wants to go eat something special or things like that. So these are all the stuff that were out and about, and I had to put away that we bought at Costco. So my husband really likes these like pastries that we buy at Costco. Right now going to Costco is just not a possibility because of everything that's going on. So this was the last time I think we actually went to Costco. And I eventually will have to go back because I need diapers, but this I think was the last time we went, and that was a couple weeks ago. So now I'm basically putting bananas. They are going bad. They are ripening and they're going basically black. And I put them in a little Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. And we use those for smoothies for our daughter and for us as well. And so I do this all the time. So when I see that they're going black, I always go buy another batch of bananas, and then I put those in the freezer. It really does help, and sometimes we make ice cream with them, which my daughter really, really likes. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are keeping safe. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Please make sure to follow the instructions that the CDC and the guidelines that they're instructing. Please keep safe, wash your hands, and keep a safe distance from everybody. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.